In this video, we're going to look at how you perform long division, and we're going to focus on two things. One of the things is just what is the pattern, or what are the steps that you need to do long division. That pattern is going to consist of 4 steps that get repeated. It goes into step, a multiply step, a subtract step, and a bring down step. The other thing that we're going to look at is a way that you can write your problems so that you avoid making silly mistakes. And the example that I want to start looking at is going to be 5,209 divided by 4. And when you set this up to do long division, you will take the divisor, which is 4, and on the inside of the symbol you'll write the dividend, 5,209, and you'll notice that I'm leaving some space between the numbers here. The reason for that is I'm going to draw some lines on here just to help myself keep track of things. Vertical lines to the left and the right of each of these numbers, and I'll extend those to the top of my division symbol. So I'll do something like this. And the reason that this is going to be useful is when I do my problem and look at this, I want to make sure that when I'm done, each of these boxes up here has a digit in it. Once I have this set up, I can start going through my pattern. The first thing I want to do is see how many times 4 goes into the numbers over here. So 4 goes into 5 once. Multiply step, 1 times 4 is 4. Then I'll subtract that. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then finally I will bring down the next digit, 2. So that pattern is going to repeat. Goes into, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Do 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. I will subtract that. 12 minus 12 is 0. And then I'll bring down the next digit, 0. Next step, go through the pattern again. 4 goes into 0. Well, it doesn't. And anytime the number does not go into what's left, you always want to come up here and write a 0. So 0 times 4 is 0. If I subtract that, I'll still have 0. And then I'll bring down my next digit of 9. 4 goes into 9 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. I'll subtract that and get 1. At this point, I'm at the end of my problem. So I've got a digit in each of the boxes. 4 does not go into 1, so that becomes my remainder. So 5,209 divided by 4 is 1,302 with a remainder of 1.